Okay, so I'll quickly skim to 4.2, or sorry, 4.3 here. Now I'll be doing only the grids from question 10 to 12. Let's begin. Here I want to find the point of inflection. We have to say that f double prime x is equal to 0 to find the point of inflection. So we'll just derive it one time. You'll get 5x squared plus 50x minus 48. You derive it the second time, you get 10x plus 50. And you have to set it equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 as the point x coordinate of inflection. Super easy. Moving on, to find the values of r and c, inside this case here, they gave us that the roots are r and 3r. And now we should know that minus b over a gives the sum of roots. And the c over a gives the product of roots. Now, to get the sum of roots, we just add these two. So minus b over a is equal to 4r. And we should know over here we have x squared minus 4x plus c. C is c. This minus 4 is b, and 1 is... Sorry, and a is 1. Oh, so, and 1 is a. So we have minus b as 4, so big as minus 4, and a as 1, and you get 4 equal to 4r. R is then equal to 1. So now we can put here that r is equal to 1. Now you can plug in r into r instead of x and set fx equal to 0 here. So fx here is the same thing as fx. Fx is equal to r, which is 1 squared minus 4. 1 plus c is equal to 0. So that means 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to 3. So now we know that c is equal to 3. Okay, now they want it in factored form. X squared minus 4x. We have c as 3, so plus 3. We factor this into x minus 3x minus 1. Okay, now they want us to find find the coordinates of the turning point. We just have to derive here, over here, x squared minus 4x plus 3 fx, and then we just derive it is equal to 2x minus 4, and we must set it equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2 as the x coordinate of the turning point. To find the y coordinate of the turning point, we just plug in 2 back in here. We get 4 minus 8 plus 3, we get minus 1. So minus 1 is our second coordinate. Minus 2 are the coordinates of the turning point. They didn't state what nature that they want to find the nature, so that doesn't matter. Here, they gave the function x squared minus x minus 12. I'll just derive it using the chain rule here. Y prime will be equal to 4 multiplied by x squared minus x minus 12 power 3 multiplied by the inside the derivative, you get this, then 8x minus 4 multiplied by x squared minus x minus 12 cubed. Now they want to find the stationary points. We must set 8x minus 4 multiplied by x squared minus x minus 12 to the power 3, which is y prime, equal to 0. And then x would then be equal to half. X would be equal to... first let's factor the inside of this here. We have 8x minus 4. We have here, what do we have here exactly? X minus 4, x plus 3, and all of it is just cubed, equals 0. Then x would be half, x would be 4, and x would be minus 3 for the turning points. Then to determine whether it is a minimum or maximum, we must draw the table of variation here. So yeah, okay, and then we go have this y prime y, and then over here minus infinity plus infinity, we write minus 3 half and then 4. Over here we can determine over here that it is, wait, so if we put negative and then another negative number, so that gives positive, which means over here we can easily determine that it increases here, and the value below it, it will negative and positive, so it will it will decrease, and then over here it will decrease, decrease, increase. So now we know that x equals minus 3, it is a minimum since it's going like this, so it is minimum. This is also going from down to up, which means x equals 4 is also a minimum. And for maximum here, the half is going from down to up, so it's going like this. Here it's half, so that means x equals 0.5 or half is max. And then we just have to find the coordinates, so that means we have to substitute minus 3 back into the original formula. So minus 3 squared minus, I'll just go a bit off camera so that I can do it all quick. Okay, so I simplified it here now. Over here the substitution is a little complicated, but it's okay, because I'm sure they won't ask you for the full coordinates. They'll just probably ask you for the x coordinates in the real exam. Here they're asking for the only the coordinates, which is odd. Very odd. Okay, so we just have to remember here now that these two are minimum and this is a maximum. And that is it for this is chapter 4, section 3. Okay, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you very much, and I'll go on the next video.